Look at the storm, y'all. Is this crazy? Like, I know you can't see good. This is crazy. That storm is literally headed for us, and it goes all the way down there. And, yeah. This is the third wave of storms, and we're under slight or marginal risk. So, yeah. Y'all gotta take shelter. I'm gonna take shelter right now. I'm gonna get home and get in my fallout shelter. It's down here. But goodness gracious, that is not looking. This is the king of all storms, but on its ultimate storm. Yep, all that rain's coming in, there's more clouds behind it that are gonna do some thunderstorms. Yeah, I can hear the rumbling, and that is not a good sign, y'all.
Oh no!
Yeah, oh no. Oh no at all. Yep. Y'all gotta take shelter, pretty as